Okay, I was receiving questions about the final exam and what is going to happen on the final exam. So I decided to record this movie to clear out any doubts. Now, I received this email at the beginning of the semester from the coordinators of the course. Now please read this fragment because it says that you basically will not have any exam. That means on the first year you will not have any exam. This is how I understand this. But these are my suggestions as to your situation. The fact that you don't have an exam doesn't mean that you do not have to study. Now, I would suggest that you prepare a list of vocabulary items and that you're learning this semester, because in the second year and the third year that you might have a test. You might have a normal verbal test that you will have to pass. And on that test next year or on the third year, it is very likely that the examiners will be asking questions about the topics that we were studying on the first year. So that means you need to know the vocabulary items and you need to know the topics. And the topics that you need to know are the following. You need to know the topics from the North Star book, which are in the syllabus. Of course, the syllabus can be downloaded from either the Angielski dla wszystkich group, or you can go here to czasyangielskie.com.pl/komunikacja.pl. You go to the Komunikacja tab, which is here. You click the Komunikacja tab, and here it is. You can download the syllabus from here. So that's how you get the syllabus. So the topics that you need to know are the topics from the North Star book, which are in the syllabus. They are mentioned in the syllabus. The topics also that you need to know are the topics in the articles, the links to which are also located in the syllabus. So there are articles in the syllabus. Let me have a look. That's the syllabus. Let's open it up. What does this mean? Let's just download it, okay? Okay, so we downloaded the syllabus. Oh man. We opened the syllabus and it didn't open. Okay, so we need to open the syllabus in another program. Well, basically, what's in the syllabus is the same. It's the same syllabus that you have. You basically already downloaded it, so you know what's in there. I'll try to open it. I'll try to open it in a second, and maybe put it here and open it up again. Okay, syllabus. Okay, so there you go. That's the syllabus, right? Okay, so these are the topics. These are the articles. The links are here. Download the articles, read the articles, learn what's in the articles. So, these are the topics that you need to know. There is also a vocab that you need to know. Which vocab do you need to know? All the words that were in the North Star books in the topics that we covered, and in the topics that are in the syllabus, right? So here are the topics in the syllabus. All of the words in the book in these topics are the words you need to know. Which other words? All of the words which are in the English vocabulary in use book. Here you have the link to this book, which were mentioned in the syllabus. Where is that? It's here. So this is the English vocabulary in use book, which you can download online from our web page here, right? You can go and download it, or you can borrow it in the library, or you can buy it. There are many ways to get it, okay? Now, here are the chapters. These are the chapters. They're all mentioned here. And all the words in these chapters are the words you need to know. It's also highly recommended you know the words that are in the articles. Why? because these are the words in the articles, and the words here are the words that might be on your final test, maybe on the second year or on the third year. And we also will do a vocabulary test from the selected sections. Maybe if the situation doesn't improve, maybe we're gonna do it in 2 weeks time. Okay, we're gonna have 2 vocabulary tests, and I will tell you which chapters you need to know. But maybe for the first, we need to have 2 tests. So I would suggest for the first test we do one half, and for the second test we do the other half. And you will need to know the vocab from these from this book. Okay. And maybe we'll skip the articles because there's a lot of stuff in there. So, but you still need to learn it, okay? It's good for you, and you should learn it. So we'll do, the first test we'll do maybe in 2 weeks' time, and we'll do these vocabulary items, and the second test we'll do next time, and we'll do these vocabulary items, okay? We'll figure it out somehow, but this is how we're gonna do it. So now you know which words you need to know, and you know which topics you need to know. This is not necessary for any final exam, because there is no final exam this year. When it comes to your grades at the end of the semester, the grades will be composed of the grade you got for the first semester, so for the last semester, and we'll I will take into consideration the grades from the vocabulary tests that we'll do, the 2 vocabulary tests. And additionally, I want you to write a 500-word paper, 500-word article. The topic of the article needs to be related to our topics here. So you pick the topic that you are interested in, and you write an article about it, 500 words. These are the topics. I want you to write a 500-word article and send it to me. I will grade it, and that will be one of your grades for apart from the vocabulary items, that will be the vocabulary items test. This will be another grade for you. And if there is such a possibility this semester, we'll do a mock exam, okay? Mock verbal exam at the end of the class, so that you know what to expect on the second year or on your third year. Now, this should clarify all the doubts, because all the information is here. You can find it. Watch the movie again if something is not clear, and this should make everything clear. Okay, thank you.